Welcome to another Dev and Pau vlogs. So today we're going to spend a short, quiet morning on this long weekend with Pori. We're going to go for a coffee, walk around in one of the roads that they close for people to walk. And any other plans?
A small forest in Oviedo.
And there is a hidden gem of a small garden where Pori loves to go. So we'll catch up there. Let's go. So Paola, after she wakes up, about an hour or 2 hours, she's like a zombie. She needs a few cups of coffee. And I can't really talk to her or touch her because she might bite.
Only 1 cup.
The sky is very clear today. And then there is a plane that's flying right there. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the shopping center. It's called Oviedo that we are going to go at. So the road that we're going to walk at is like 200 meters there. It's a kind of a main road, but they close it for people to run and walk. So we're going to have some coffee and then head out there. So usually this shopping center is fully packed, but because it's a long holiday, it's very few people here. Right now we're going to go to a small restaurant. It's called Mundo Verde, or Green World, and then have coffee there. Maybe also have a bit of small breakfast. This is the place we're gonna have now. It's super green, this area. So our coffee is here. Cheers. Comida no para usted. Then give me yours, I'll have yours. So Paola is happy because our breakfast is here. So we are finally done with
Now I'm awake.
breakfast. Now we're gonna go to the small greenery area where Pori loves to walk. So we had seen this area before when we would walk by on the other side of the road. We thought that this was like part of a hotel or something, but then we found this place like a year ago. 4 years of waiting before we were able to figure out where this place is. So this whole area is super green. They have a bunch of bamboo trees and a lot of small plantations in the back, but today they're not letting people in. Vamos, manitos. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Vamos. Tú puedes. Vamos. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Woohoo! Pori trusts us so much. She's usually scared of these things, but if you help her, she does them. Woohoo! So right now we are walking along this road. We're gonna walk for like 20 minutes. They make a juice here which is super healthy. Carrot, beetroot, and what's the other one? Orange. So it's a mixture of 3. So we're gonna have, look at the number of people, man, it's crazy. I used to come to run here when I was running marathons and stuff. So this is the shop that we usually have the drinks from. So this way, it's like 4 kilometers, the road. Same this way, the whole stretch is like 8 kilometers. What are you having, Pau?
Carrot and orange.
Cheers. Mire acá. She has two different colored eyes.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the...
So in one part, they have closed up the parking lot and they have a couple of stalls for food and various handicraft products.
Tú vas echando las gotitas, se les va absorbiendo el corchito que más cerca de la ventana que
So
tenga la
Paula
cocina,
chose this one.
¿cierto? Y las riegas más o menos cada 8 días, ¿ok? Ahí están nuestras redes, teléfonos.
The lady is explaining what to do and how to take care.
Y ya regresamos a la casita, terminó el paseo del día de hoy, alguien está muy cansada y va a dormir y nosotros tenemos muchas tareas domésticas que hacer. Chao.
All right, bye, bye, bye. We are back. Catch you next time. Ciao, ciao, ciao.